The Indian Agricultural Research Institute developed a natural spray that decomposes agricultural waste. Called the Pusa Decomposer, the spray consists of 7 species of fungi and bacteria that break down leftover stalks or stubble in just 3 weeks with no negative impact on the environment. The decomposed stubble is then fully reintegrated into the soil, restoring soil nutrients. The spray is developed mainly to eliminate the burning of post-harvest waste that largely contributes to pollution in India. But there are added benefits. The spray reduces the fertilizer costs, since the decomposed materials turn into organic fertilizer. It also increases the farmer's income, due to the ability to rotate short-term crops between the rice and wheat cycles. Are you excited about this new product? Do you think other countries with similar pollution problems can follow? Let us know your thoughts below.